If your garage is a jumble of tools, sports equipment, and random household stuff with no room for your car, you're not alone. The garage tends to be the first place clutter collects and the last place to be cleared out. Turning your garage into a well-organised and useful space isn't that hard. It just takes a bit of planning. First of all, figure out what you need the space for, and then address the clutter. Finding logical and tidy ways to store it all is the key to maximising every bit of your garage. It's a great idea to get straight into the basics first. This garage got a brand new look with an epoxy finish on the floor. Concrete floors are a standard for garages and do the job just fine. However, unsealed concrete can get tire marks and stains and can look shabby pretty quickly. Epoxy finishes are practical. It's easy to clean up oils and spills. We've gone with a grey epoxy with speckles. It looks really great. If you can paint a wall, you can paint your floor with an epoxy finish. It's really that easy. Garages can often be a bit of a dumping ground, with useful equipment getting mixed up with old household items. The first step in restoring order is to have a clean up. Get rid of all the things you don't need, have a look at what's left, and find the best ways to store it. Pick a storage unit to match your needs. And remember, garage items can be pretty heavy, so make sure your unit can handle the weight. A lockable cabinet is a great way of keeping things safe, secure, and out of reach, especially if you have kids running around. To keep shelves organised, use baskets and crates and group things together. Using clear storage containers and wire baskets is a great way to be able to see what's inside them. Labelling them clearly helps you find what you need without any fuss. No garage or shed is complete without a good workbench, but it can be a dumping ground for random stuff. Keeping your storage in order and in logical places for the things you use regularly means that you'll keep this surface clutter-free, ready for your next project. Pets are a part of the family, but they also come with a lot of gear and sometimes a bit of mess. Setting up a pet station, like a mudroom for your pooch, is a good use of space in your garage. Plus, it's an easy weekend project. Add hooks to hold leads, jackets and bags, and use baskets to hold balls and dog toys. This keeps wet and grubby gear out of your house and makes it easier for you to grab what you need. Sporting equipment is a common storage issue in garages. Things like surfboards, fishing rods, and tennis rackets are too difficult to balance on shelves and are too bulky for baskets. It's a good idea to get bikes up off the floor so they don't get knocked over and take up valuable floor space. Hang them vertically or horizontally and choose the appropriate hook. Hooks and wire baskets are also suitable for storing helmets, rackets, and even yoga mats. A lot of people are now choosing to work out at home. If you don't have your own dedicated gym, the garage is the next best thing. Add a mirror and some rubber flooring and you can have your own gym or yoga studio. And there you have it. With clever storage solutions, you can turn your underused and overcluttered garage into a clean and tidy place that you'll always want to spend time in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.